2019 GMC Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 offers a 5-star frontal and side crash test rating and a combination of mechanics and aerodynamics that give it better conventional V8 fuel economy than any competitor. Sierra 1500 now comes with an automatic transmission that combines high max hauling capability with precise control. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, stability control, traction control, power passenger seat, leather wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, auto dimming rear view mirror, cruise control, keyless start, aluminum wheels, floor mats, 4-wheel disc brakes. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.